Good morning, everyone. It's the start of a new week. So we do the weekly analysis first on NQ, and then we will go through the ES and gold. So let's get started. Currently, I'm on NQ chart on the weekly time frame. So if we see the context wise, we have up move followed by this consolidation, followed by this down move. So let me mark this weekly level. So if you see, this has been holding couple of times this weekly level, and it has breakdown now, and that level is 25 380. So unless we reclaim this level, the next potential downside is this one, and in case we reclaim back this level, I think the range will continue, and then potential then the potential next target can be midpoint of this range. So that's the situation about the weekly time frame. As of now, it has breakdown, and if you see the context, since 2 days, NQ has gapped down is 2%, around 2%. And let's switch to the 15-minute time frame. So this is the level which I talked about. So we have this consolidation followed by breakdown of this level. So I would like to see uh, at least for a potential bounce this level, the significant bounce towards the upside. And for the intraday perspective, I would like to see this Monday low to hold as a support for the next target towards 25 400. So this is a Monday range. It formed. The low was 25 240 and the high was 25 440. So I would like to, at the market open, any possibility of the retracement, then I would like to see the hold of this level for the potential target of 25 430. And in case we push towards this one, then I would like to see the rejection uh, for for downside target, because if we see this is Monday's high, and it's quite likely that looking at the contacts, we are moving down. So first test of this resistance, it can give a potential a scalping opportunity, or at least 50% move you can expect on a rejection of 25 or 40. So from intraday perspective, this is the main level on NQ. This is second level, which is a Monday low. And uh, in case at the market open, if we lose this overnight low, then the target is this 24 890, which is a weekly level. So uh, keep in mind that we already has gap down a lot. So potential breakdown I would not expect at the moment. At least two scenario I'm expecting. At least one is the consolidation, or the other one is the pop at the resistance. So in case we pop at the resistance, then I'm looking forward for the short opportunity around this level. And in case we reclaim back this Monday's high, then the gap fill possibility is there, which is a 25 670. These are four levels. Let me set alert. And this is really exhaust. I mean, if we lose this level, then we can quickly go down towards the 24 890, because if we look towards the left hand side, we don't have any potential support and resistance below 25 100. So that's about NQ. uh, on higher time frame perspective, we have break down the significant support. So I'm only expecting a bounce and a potential short at the resistance, and can be a good scalper for the for the pullback towards the upside. Let's look at the ES on a weekly time frame. So, yes, if you see, we have approached the significant support here on a weekly time frame. If you see, this was the support previously, which is 6870, 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times. We This acted as a support, and again, fifth time also, bulls are coming. At the moment, it's a uh, week has formed. So let's see. But overall, if we see on the weekly time frame, this is a bullish. We have up move followed by this consolidation, and this level has been held so far. Let's switch towards the lower time frame. So we are sitting at the support on a weekly time frame at the moment. For a long opportunity, I don't want to catch here the falling knife. I would like to see the reclaim of this level at least, which is a Monday low for the potential long towards the 6936, or the uh, this is the level, or the intraday sub resistance 6917. So any reclaim of this level, 6890, I'm looking forward for the 691118 to touch, and next level is 6993. On in case we reclaim back this and act as a support, then the potential scenario for the gap fill is possible, but its price is too far away from the gap fill, so I don't want to think about the gap fill at the moment. Only potential long is this one, which is a Monday low reclaim. And uh, yeah, from here is aggressive move towards the downside at the moment on currently on 1 hour time frame. So this is a down move followed by this is another leg towards the downside, and at the same time we are on a weekly time frame heavy support. So I am not keen on shorting it here. I would like to see a pop at the market open, and this can be a area of short. So this is the one of the level, and the second is this one for the retracement or a pullback towards the downside. Yeah. So these three levels I can see, and yeah, I don't want to long it here or the short it uh, at the moment. Um, if we see on a daily time frame, uh, or a no daily time frame is this 4 hour time frame. If we see, this is the uh, this is the support. Uh, so from here, bulls were present, and bulls took the market towards the 7033, and at the moment we are at the below the this support. So that's why for the safer side, I said that reclaim of Monday low is important for any potential towards the upside. So let's say at market open, what happens in case we lose this overnight low, then uh, the next support is at 6772, and this is a small intraday support, which is not significant, but this is a quite significant support in my opinion, 6772. So game plan for ES is any pop towards this resistance zone. I would like to go short for the quick sell scalp, and anything towards the downside, or maybe if we lose this overnight low, then can be a good shot for this potential target. So that's the plan for years. Let me mark or set alert. This is overnight low, so this is important level. And yeah, 6933, 6917, and 6848 for years. Let's look at YM, which is Dow Jones. We have been tracking since couple of days. So let me remove all the drawings, and let me switch towards the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, it's all bullish, and if you see this is a bullish candle, but we didn't have any follow through for this bullish candlestick, and we are rolling over towards the low of this weekly low. So let me mark this weekly low. This is important, and if you see, uh, this has been held as a support for a couple of weeks as of now. This level is 48,500, and on a daily time frame, uh, if you see, we had this range. So we had a breakout towards the upside. We have this consolidation. This was the consolidation for 1 week, and we had a breakdown towards the downside. So any retest around 49 200, I look forward for the weekly low to test, and any reclaim of this level, then we can move towards the midpoint of this consolidation. So this is an important level, 49 200. So let's switch towards the 15-minute time frame. So if you see, this was the consolidation followed by breakdown, and in case at the market open, if we test this support, 48,500, and act as a support, then can be a potential good scalp towards the upside. And uh, yeah, basically, uh, I want this to test as a resistance for the potential down move. So buying at the support at 48,500. This is a resistance zone, 49,200 for a rejection, and any reclaim above the 49,200. Then I look forward for this gap fill, which is a 49,500. So these three are the important level for the YM for me. Overall, it's look at the moment that we are likely test this weekly low. Let's look at the GC gold future. Uh, if you remember, when we talk, we were here in this consolidation zone. We had a breakout. Uh, Again, we made a consolidation. So after a breakout, this was a healthy consolidation at the range high, and we made another high. So it's at the all-time high, and it's making another breakout. So at the moment, it's difficult. It's to go long or short because there is no price at the support at the moment. Six price is at 4753. But in case we get any retracement towards this level, which is a consolidation high, can be a good scalp for at least 50% move. So basically, what I'm looking for, in case we go here and act as a support, then this can be a target, 50% target. So like this. So buying at the support makes sense. At the moment, I'm not interested to go long. or neither to go short, because there is no short opportunity at the moment. Market is just consolidating and making higher high at the moment. This has proven to be intraday support, 15-minute time frame, but it's not strong enough to go long. I would like to see this good consolidation retest for the quick scalp towards the upside. Overall, it's looking quite bullish, GC. Yeah, that's about future market. I think, yeah, plan is for me at least is short the pop or buy at the support for a potential longer short opportunities. So let's look at the stocks. Uh, I'm looking at the AMD. Let me remove everything. And AMD, currently I'm on weekly time frame. If you see what happened last week, we had a down move followed by engulf pattern weekly time frame. So this is a bullish candle of this weekly. So it's looking bullish on weekly time frame. And if we see this level, so this was a support previously, which is 225, and it has flipped as a resistance this time, three times to be precise, and we have reclaimed again back about 225, and now price at the pre-market is 227. So let's switch towards the 15-minute time frame. And if you see pre-market activity, this has been acting as a support at the moment. Is this a pre-market? No, just a minute, extended. Let me switch. So on Thursday, it was acting as a support. Uh, we uh, we went down below 225, but it has been reclaimed back again. So let's see at the market open what happens. Anything above the pre-market high, I think it's a good long for the gap fill towards the 230 level. So that's the only scalp long I can see, which is a good 3-4 point move. And in case 2 to 5 act as a resistance, then this can be a downside target for you. Anything below 2 to 5, 2 to 1 is the intraday target. Overall, AMD looks bullish to me at the moment. Let me check. Is anything on my list? Yeah. Let's look at the Google. So Google, I'm on weekly time frame. If we see, uh, this was the breakout. We went all the way till 340, and at the moment we are testing uh, s- this support at the moment, which is around 322 is the exact level, which is this high, 322 to 323. So let's switch to the 1 hour time frame, and if you see, this is the major level. Uh, so uh, uh, this is the major level, which proven to be as a resistance couple of times, 323, and after the breakout we had a good retest followed by up move. So keep an eye on this 323 level. So any reclaim above 323 leads to the potential gap fill, which is a 330. And if in case we reject this level, then your target can be this overnight low or the pre-market low, which is 317, and uh, the next low is 312. So this is the potential flip of SR, which you should be aware on a high time frame perspective. I am also looking at CRWV. everything. So currently I am on daily time frame. If you see this level, we had a breakout two 2 days back. The breakout level is around 89 or 90 level, and we went all the way till 103, and price is at 95 level. So this was considered as a fake out followed by up move, and can any retest around $90 can be a good long, or maybe let's see on the lower time frame what are the support and resistance we have. So this is the support which I talk about. We move upside, and on a 15 minute, we have maintained the higher high, higher low sequence. So this is the internal 15-minute time frame support, which is a $94, and this act as a support at the moment. So any retest and hold of this level, the your potential target is first target is $97, and another target is this one 101. So as higher time frame is bullish, I am looking for long opportunities only for the AMD, Google, and CRWB. Any questions? I didn't check the chat. No questions so far. Let's look at iron. Uh, it's been trending recently, and that's why it's in on my list. So currently on iron, I am on a daily time frame. If you see, we have a down move followed by this break and retest, followed by a down move. Then we have reclaimed back this support. So this is a support which I talked, which is 50 to $52 level. This support. So this was acted as a resistance before going down, and we have reclaimed back this level. And on what on Friday, we have this bullish candlestick, uh, looking quite bullish. But at the moment, at the pre-market, we have retraced almost 75% of this bullish candle. So at the pre-market, we are at a $54 level. So let's see on the 15 minute now. So today, price action wise, this has been acted as a support. Uh, this high time frame level, we have bullish pin bar, and after that, we are near the uh, pre-market high at the moment. So any retest towards this and hold of this level, it can be a good long, at least towards the pre-market high, and the next target is this one. But in case we lose this level, then it's look like we have this fake out and then can move towards the downside. But unless we don't go below $50, I'm leaning towards the upside. Yeah, I think that's what I have on the stocks. Uh, on my list, Google, AMD, CRWV, and Iron. So let me know if you want me to review anything. Otherwise, we can take over.
Awesome, Sujit. Thank you. Yeah, guys, any questions for Sujit before we get close to the open and everyone freaks out? Awesome. All right.